Have you ever heard someone say, "I only sleep 4 hours and still wake up full of energy," while you sleep a full 8 hours and still roll out of bed feeling tired? Why does this happen? Let's break it down using psychology and real sleep science. 1. Your brain measures sleep in cycles, not hours. Every night, your brain travels through 90-minute sleep cycles. These cycles have multiple stages, but two of them control how energized or drained you feel in the morning. Deep sleep and REM sleep. Deep sleep is where your body repairs itself. Your muscles recover, immunity strengthens, and your body performs internal maintenance. REM sleep is your emotional and mental reset phase. Your brain organizes memories, processes emotions, and boosts creativity. When both stages happen smoothly, even 5 to 6 hours of sleep can feel refreshing. But when these stages get disrupted because of blue light, caffeine, stress, late-night scrolling, or inconsistent routines, your brain never enters deep sleep properly. This leads to fragmented sleep. Your body rests, but your mind stays overactive. That's why you wake up tired even after enough hours. This is the real reason some people feel great with less sleep while others struggle despite long nights. The quality of the cycle matters more than the length of the night. 2. Your circadian rhythm controls everything. Your sleep is ruled by an internal biological clock called the circadian rhythm. This clock decides when you naturally feel sleepy, when you feel alert, when your hormones rise, and when your energy dips. If you sleep at random times, 11 p.m. today, 3 a.m. tomorrow, 1 a.m. the day after, your brain loses track of when it should release melatonin, the hormone responsible for making you feel sleepy. But when you sleep and wake at the same time every day, your brain starts following a rhythm. It begins releasing melatonin automatically at the right time. You fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up fresher, even if the total hours stay the same. This is why consistency is more powerful than duration. A stable rhythm signals your brain, this is our bedtime. And once your brain trusts the schedule, your energy resets naturally. 4. Prepare your brain with the 3-2-1 wind-down method. Most people try to sleep instantly after stimulating their brain with screens, conversations, or mental stress. But your brain needs a slow shutdown process. Psychologists call this cognitive unwinding. Here's the 3-2-1 method. 3 hours before sleep, no heavy meals. Digestion keeps your body active and delays deep sleep. 2 hours before sleep, stop working or problem solving. Your brain stays in beta mode, alert state, making it harder to shut down. 1 hour before sleep and no screens. Phones, laptops, and bright lights block melatonin and delay REM sleep. Instead, do activities that shift your brain into alpha state, relaxed. Light stretching, journaling, reading, or listening to calm music. This simple rule can massively improve sleep quality, even if your sleep duration doesn't change. 5. Use morning light to reset your brain. One of the strongest signals to your brain that the day has started is sunlight in the first 10 minutes after waking. Morning light boosts serotonin, the neurotransmitter that controls mood, focus, and alertness. It also resets your circadian rhythm, helping you sleep earlier at night. Even 5 minutes of sunlight can make you feel more awake than a cup of coffee. Don't start your day by immediately checking your phone. Step outside, breathe, and let your brain sync with natural light. Bonus, quick movement, plus cold exposure. A quick burst of physical activity, like stretching, walking, jumping, or even shaking your muscles, activates your sympathetic nervous system. Cold water on your face or a cold shower gives your brain an instant jolt. These release dopamine and norepinephrine, natural chemicals that clear mental fog and boost energy. In under a minute, your alertness can rise without caffeine. The mindset shift. Most people treat sleep like it's optional. They see sleeping less as being hardworking or tough. But psychology shows that ignoring sleep destroys productivity, emotional balance, decision-making, and long-term health. Sleep isn't laziness. Sleep is mental maintenance. It's the reset button your brain depends on to stay sharp. A rested mind focuses better, remembers more, handles stress easily, stays calmer, makes smarter decisions, and performs at its peak. The goal isn't to sleep more, it's to sleep better. When you master sleep quality, your brain becomes unstoppable.